for this recipe we'll need 1 onion. You just need to finely chop that up. We've got fresh garlic and ginger, 3 green bullets, we've got fresh coriander, and you've obviously got your chicken mince. You can use lamb, you can use whatever you prefer. We are using chicken today. I have already chopped in the onion, all of this, I've already done all of that and I've put it in there. This is, I've just laid it out for you guys so I can show you what goes in there. So that's all we've put in: coriander, onion, green bullets, fresh ginger and garlic. That's all gone in there. I obviously mashed it up inside my blender. Now all I'm going to do is put red chili flakes, red chili powder and some salt. Okay, so in goes about 2 tablespoons of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and about 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Obviously you do it to your preference, so, but this is how much I'm using. Okay, that's just going to add in 1 egg. And we've got about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to put that in as well. We're going to give this a really good mix. Okay guys, just to cling film it, I've just put cling film over the mixture and I'm going to refrigerate it, and I'll be using this mixture tomorrow. The longer you leave it refrigerated, the longer the marinade stays overnight, the more flavoursome the kebabs will be. So do make sure you do allow ample time to marinate the chicken. You could possibly marinate everything in the morning and then use it in the evening, but just, as I say, just allow a good amount of time just to allow the flavors to get absorbed inside the chicken or whatever meat you're using. Okay, so these are some of the kebabs that I had frozen overnight. So we'll be using these to fry. Okay, so for the green chutney, we will need some green bullets, 3 green bullets. We've got some fresh coriander and we've got a bunch of garlic cloves. What we're going to do is put some yogurt. So I've just mixed up some yogurt. We will be using a little bit more, just a little bit inside the blender, just to the bottom. This just helps it blend easily. Okay, and then in goes the green bullets. I have washed all of this up. In goes the coriander, and then I wear garlic cloves as well. And I've put on some yogurt on the top as well, and we've got some salt over here. I'm just going to be drizzling a little bit. This is all to taste, and that's all there. And what we're going to do is blend this, and I'll show you how that looks. so our green chutney has just come out of the blender, blended everything up. So what I'm going to do is just pop it in some more yogurt. And we'll give that a good mix. And I have tasted it. The salt, everything seems to be fine. If you feel that after you've tasted your chutney that it still requires some salt, obviously you could just pop some in now and give that a good mix. What I'm going to do is refrigerate this. Now this is ready.